Forgot your Dota1st account password or just want to update it for better security? Learn the typical steps to change or reset your password and keep your account safe. So, what you want to do is, from the game launcher, click on the profile icon on the top right, just below the cross button. That opens up the Account Center menu. There, you should see a button that says Change Password. Click on it. You'll first need to verify your account email before proceeding further. Click on the Send Email button and check out your inbox for a verification code. Once you have it, type it down. Then, you'll be able to enter a new password for your account. You'll have to enter it twice for confirmation. Remember, the new password can't be the same as your old one. And once it's done, you'll be asked to log in again, now with your new password. That's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!